Hey, saze sahappy siyikhanda. We finally sikwazile ukushaya i-Sundowns. We finally managed to beat Mamelodi Sundowns to the final. Here we go. Hey, angazi bafethu. I'm so happy. I'm really happy. Hey, ngijabule bafethu. So thank you very much to ucoach wethu with a brilliant idea yokubona umuntu o-weak kwi-lineup ye-Sundowns, and they used that idea of coach and by Arteta Suarez wabo lo, and then we got the goal. The second one bathi offside mabesho, but we really don't care, I think. So credit to the players, credit to coach. At least we are in the final. We have something to fight for. Welcome to Amakhosi Stand podcast. I am your host. I am Manqoba Ngcobo, all the way from Great Town eMatimatolo. Njengamanje ngilana eGoli ngizofuna umsebenzi. Let's do a player rating. We'll start by Bruce Vuma. I think he didn't have a good game, but he had a better game. Like he had, yeah, because come on, mfethu usetha ubonda lakho okay, ubonda like uthalume ngapha, and then now ukhipha futhi uzokuma khona lapho. Come on, you can't if ubonda lakho lu this side, you have to cover the other side and trust your defensive wall. So yeah, that was poor for him from him. So I'll give him a 6.5 over 10 rating. And he did that sticks is because of the save that he made from who's this guy who shot Reynas, I think. Yeah, he made an incredible save. Yeah, so I'm giving him a 6.5. Let's go to Dylan Solomon. I think he also did well. He also did well tracking back and attacking. So I'm giving him 6.5 also. He didn't have a perfect game, but he had a good game. Our centre back pairing, Dove had a mistake. Dove had a mistake. Somehow he passed the ball to a Mamelodi Sundowns player. We almost considered. So I'm giving him a solid 5. A solid 5.5. Yeah, let's give him 5.5. And given him Simango, he did very well. I'll give him a 7. Our left back Cross, I didn't expect that performance. So yeah, he did very well. I would also give him a 7. Our the Induna Yendawo Kele, he didn't. I think it's because of an injury, but he wasn't the Kele we know, like but yeah, he fought. So I'm giving him a 6.5. Kele deserves 8 per game. So this game was not his game. He really controlled the middle, but not as much because immediately Sundowns iyabhulana. They have a real compact middle. So yeah, Yusuf Mata, our captain, was brilliant today. He played really good. He was pressing, coming back to defend, trying to control the tempo, making good passes. I think I would give him an 8. I think if it wasn't for Duba, it would be him, the man of the match. He was performing brilliant. Casting Sereno, as I said yesterday, Sereno, when he's playing with Sundowns, I don't know what's happening to him, but he was not that's perfect. He deserves a 6.5. Lilepo, he was quiet. Like he only got the header. Uh, that's him. He almost scored, but he was quiet all the game. And Pulemodi was perfect. He was helping cross. Lilepo, I'm giving him a 6. Pulemodi, he was checking back, helping cross because ngoba baze bamshintsha uRibeiro kulela sayidi because babonile ukuthi we had a plan yokuthi uCross is coming back to help uCross. Bamshintsha, they brought him to another side. Jiki useseswini, so yabo, we had a plan for lo mfana lo uRibeiro. So uModi, I will also give him a 7.5. Yeah, he was not, yeah, 7.5. Duba, man of the match, obvious, 8.5. Perfect. Fighting spirit. He's been scoring now. It's the second game in a row that he scored. This guy is special. Yeah, I think we got a gem in this guy. Coach Nabi, I would give him a 8, a solid 8/10 rating because he had a plan. Even after we conceded, he didn't panic. Akaphenikanga, waqhubeka neplan yakhe. Then we benefited. Yeah, his substituting was good, but hey, bekusangikhala kade kuphuma uCele cause without uCele we really don't play this much. But those guys who came in, they did well to hold the game, and then luckily Satoli goalie, and then we sealed our way to the final against Orlando Pirates. And with Orlando Pirates, there are chances. I'm not saying Orlando Pirates is a bad team, but Orlando Pirates is a very good team, I'm told. But with them in the final, anything can happen. There's a chance that we can lift the cup. But yeah, I think I've covered all. And also, please subscribe to the channel and comment below where do you rate our players based on their performances in this match that we play with Mamelodi Sundowns. It was a tough match, but we managed to pull through. I'm so happy. I'm so happy for the boys. I'm so happy. This is Kaizer Chiefs. This is Amakhosi. Udubushile ukuthi we are going to write a history, a new history for the club, and this is it. It is now or never. We have to do it. Don't forget to catch a final Orlando Pirates versus Kaizer Chiefs, Moses Mabhida Stadium, 10 May. We will be the home side, so I'm so happy. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe. Thank you very much.